Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude Code to Git Bash on Windows. First, make sure you have Node.js and Git Bash installed on your Windows system. You can check inside Git Bash by typing node-v to see the Node.js version and npm-v to check npm. Next, install Claude Code globally. In Git Bash, type npm install-g at anthropic-ai/claude-code and press enter. After that, you need to set your API key. In Git Bash, type export anthropic_API_key, enter your API key here. This connects Claude Code to your account. To verify the installation, type Claude and press enter. If everything is correct, then Claude CLI will open. Now you can use Claude Code in any project. Navigate to your project folder by typing cd my-project. Then run Claude command like Claude explained this code directly inside Git Bash. If Claude doesn't work and says command not found, you might need to fix your path. To find the global npm path, type npm root-g. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.